Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last video, we learned what is data structure and what is algorithm and what is the difference between both of them. So I hope you have understood the concept. Now in this video, let's see why are companies so interested in data structures and algorithm when it comes to interviews. So the answer to that question is very simple. All that they are trying to find in an interview is, are we a good problem solver or not? So typically in an interview we are given a small problem and initially we try to find a solution using a very naive method, and slowly as we progress with the interview we try to optimize that solution as much as possible. So this is a good way in which an interviewer can find out very easily if we are good at solving a given problem or not. So basically they are checking the way our brain works when a problem is thrown at us. Now once we arrive at an optimal solution, then the second thing of course is the coding part of it. So the second thing the interviewer is looking at is our coding skills. So how quickly we can code a given solution is one of the things that they are checking. The other thing that they are seeing is that how are we handling those corner cases which typically can break in production. So on a high level, these are the only two things that the interviewer is trying to find out in a data structure and algorithm interview. And of course, there are other things like the cultural fit or your attitude or your current pointer in your college. But again, all those things are secondary. These two things are the first thing that the interviewer is looking for, and data structure algorithms are the best way to judge these two things. Now when it comes to which company asks data structure and algo in interview, the answer is very simple. So first we need to understand that there are two types of company, that is a product based company and a service based company. Now as the name says, in the product based company, this company has their own product which are directly sold to the end user, whereas in service based company they are more like a contractor doing a contract job for some other company. So now if we are interviewing for a product based company like Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon, then 80% of the interview will mostly be focused on data structures and algorithm, whereas in case of a service based company they typically don't emphasize much on data structures, but still we typically can expect one or two very simple data structures questions. Fine, so I hope you have understood why are companies interested in data structure algorithm and what are the types of companies that we have. In the next video, let's talk about some of the uses of data structure in our day-to-day life. So that's all in this video. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.
Please subscribe, like, and share our channel. Keep supporting us.